I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player. And today I'm going to show you how to play Wild Thing by the Troggs. This is a great old rock song from the 1960s. It's been covered by everybody from Jimi Hendrix to who else? A lot of people have covered it. So this is a great song for beginners to play, especially if you're learning how to play bar chords. So it's got some simple bar chords, and I think it's easy to go between them. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? So to begin with, you're going to play this A chord on the 5th fret. You're going to bar all the way across the 5th fret with your first finger. You're going to take your ring finger and put it on the 7th fret of the A string. Your little finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the D string. Your middle finger is going to go down here on the G string on the 6th fret. You're going to just down strum 2 times. Then you're going to move to this D chord. To do that, you're just going to lift these 3 fingers up, then take your ring finger and you're going to flatten it out on the 7th fret of the D, G, and the B strings. Then you're going to slide it up to this E chord, which is both these fingers. You're just going to slide them up 2 frets, 7 and 9. Then you're going to slide them back to the D chord. And it ends on this A chord like this. It goes. And from there it goes to this, which is also an A chord, but it's a different way of playing it. So it goes. Play that, you're going to bar across the 2nd fret on the lower 4 strings, the D, G, B, and the E string. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to hit the 3rd fret of the E string here. Then it goes back into the chord progression. It just kind of fades out like a good old-fashioned rock and roll song. It's such a punk rock song, I can't believe it was even made in the 60s. It reminds me of The Clash or something, but it was made, I think, in 1966. So this is a great bar chord song if you're learning how to play bar chords. And everybody recognizes it for sure. If you can play this song, everybody will say, wow, that's Wild Thing, isn't it? So hopefully you like this lesson and you get something from it. If you would, subscribe to our channel. It's absolutely free and it helps us out a lot. And I hope you enjoy it. And stay tuned for more videos. If you have any suggestions for songs you'd like to learn, leave them in the comments below and we'll make a lesson for them. All right? So thank you and have a great day.